The 2025
Tata
Maruti
Sumo
Suzuki
Victa
Gypsy marks a bold return of an iconic Indian
redesigned
SUV,
to suit modern
now
demands
reimagined
while
to
staying
meet modern
true to its rugged
expectations
roots.
while preserving its
At
original
first
rugged
glance,
character.
the new Gypsy immediately
This new
catches
iteration
attention
brings
with its
together
boxy,
utility,
muscular
comfort,
stance that
and a
echoes
refreshed
the original
design
design,
language,
but
making
with
it a
refined modern
suitable choice
detailing.
for large families,
The wide
commercial
wheel arches,
operators,
upright
and
windshield,
transport
and
needs
tall
alike.
profile maintain the
At
classic
first
Gypsy
glance,
silhouette,
the vehicle
but now
maintains
feature
its
LED
boxy
headlights,
silhouette,
updated
design
grille
identity
patterns,
rooted
and
in
integrated
functionality,
lamps
but
for
with
more
updated
premium and
contours,
purposeful
LED
appearance.
lighting signatures,
Built
a
on
more
a modern
prominent
ladder
grille,
frame
and
chassis
improved
with advanced
aerodynamics
materials,
for better road
the
presence and
2025
efficiency.
Gypsy is not just
Under
about
the hood,
nostalgia.
the 2025
It's engineered for
Sumo
performance
Victa
and
is
durability
expected to be
in
powered
challenging
by a
terrains.
2.0-liter
Under the
BS6
hood,
Phase
the
2
Gypsy
compliant diesel
2025
engine,
is
tuned for both
expected to
torque
house
and
a
economy.
1.5-liter
The engine delivers a solid balance of
petrol
power,
engine with
especially at low-end
RPMs,
producing around 103
bhp
full loads and
tackling hilly or
137
rugged terrain.
Newton-meters of torque.
With a 5-speed
This engine
manual
is mated
gearbox,
to a
the gear
5-speed
ratios
manual
are optimized
transmission
for
with a
low-speed crawling as
4x4
well as
transfer
smooth
highway
highway
cruising.
standard, making
The
it
suspension
capable of
has been
handling
tuned
rough
to
trails,
absorb rough
rocky
road
climbs,
conditions,
and muddy
making
paths
the
with
Victa a
ease.
practical companion
Its
for
low-range
semi-urban and
gearbox
rural
enhances
roads.
crawling abilities,
Its high
and
ground
the high
clearance
ground
adds
clearance,
confidence
improved
during
suspension
monsoon
travel,
seasons or
and
off-road
solid
drives.
axle setup ensure
Inside
excellent
the
articulation
cabin,
and grip
Tata
in
has
extreme
paid attention to
conditions.
practicality and
While
space.
it's not built for highway
the Victa
racing,
offers
the
3
Gypsy
rows of
delivers a
seating with
planted and
flexible
confident ride
configurations,
both off the road
the
and in
second
urban
and third
conditions.
rows are built to
The
maximize
refined
legroom
engine
and
better
headroom,
NVH
ensuring a
noise,
comfortable ride for all
vibration,
passengers.
and harshness levels compared
Depending
to
on
older
the
versions
variant,
also make
interiors
long
may
drives
include
more
fabric or
comfortable
full
than
leather
ever before.
upholstery.
Easy to
Step
clean
inside the
surfaces,
cabin,
and robust
the
plastic
transformation
panels
is
built
evident.
to endure wear
The
and tear.
interior, while still
While the
simple and
dashboard
functional,
remains
now includes
utilitarian
a
in
digital
design,
analog
it now
instrument
integrates a
cluster,
touchscreen infotainment system with
smartphone
smartphone
Android
connectivity,
Auto and Apple
Bluetooth,
CarPlay,
USB
power
ports,
windows,
and a
central
digital
locking,
mid-display
and
for
even
vehicle
automatic climate
diagnostics
control
and fuel
and higher
economy
trims.
tracking.
The
Safety
dashboard
has
is
taken a
minimalistic
leap
but
forward
robust,
with the
built
inclusion
with
of
dual
durability
airbags,
in mind,
adds with
ideal
EBD,
for the dust and
rear
wear of
parking
adventure
sensors,
travel,
and a reinforced
seating
chassis that
remains
meets
upright and
new
offers
safety
good
norms.
visibility.
While
Though not
foldable
overly
rear seats provide
luxurious,
flexible
the Victa
cargo
focuses on
space.
being tough and reliable,
It's not
with
luxury
a focus on
focused,
low
but
maintenance
it's well
costs and
balanced for
long-term
those who want
durability.
utility with a touch of
This is
tech.
ideal for fleet
One
owners.
of the Gypsy's
Rural
biggest
buyers,
strengths
and
lies
joint
in its
families
off-road
seeking
DNA.
affordability and performance
Designed
over
with
excessive
military
features.
and expedition use
One
in
of the
mind,
most
the
unique selling points
2025
of the
model continues to
2025
cater to
Tata
those who
Sumo
value
Victa is its
dependability
versatility.
over flashy features.
It straddles both
The
personal
lightweight
and
body,
commercial use,
compact
performing
dimensions,
well as a
and narrow
family
stance
SUV
make it
during the
ideal
week
for
and a
navigating
people mover
tight
on
forest
weekends or
trails,
in business.
hilly switchbacks,
The
or
ladder
even
frame
narrow village
chassis,
roads.
a rare feature in
It
newer
also
cars,
has a strong
ensures
aftermarket
durability over
ecosystem,
bad roads and
meaning
helps
it's easy
maintain
to
the
customize,
Sumo's legendary
be it roof
go-anywhere
racks,
capability.
snorkels, alloy wheels,
The large
or
boot
rock
space,
sliders.
even with the third
These
row up,
factors make it
offers
not
decent
just a
utility,
car,
but
and
a folding
canvas
down
for
the rear
enthusiasts
seats
to build
opens
their
up a
own
flat
adventure
loading
machine.
area, useful for
The
cargo.
new Gypsy also scores
Fuel
high on
efficiency
utility
is
and
projected to
reliability.
be in the 16
It's
to
simple to
17
maintain,
km/h,
backed by
range,
Maruti's
impressive
wide
for a
service
vehicle of
network,
this size
and offers a
capacity.
no-nonsense mechanical
Tata
setup
has
that
also
appeals to
ensured that
purists.
spare parts are readily
Unlike
available
many
across
modern
its
SUVs
wide
that
service
try to
network,
blend
and maintenance
luxury with
packages are
off-roading,
competitively
the Gypsy
priced.
stays honest to its
Buyers
roots,
can choose
tough,
from several
minimal,
variants
and mission-ready.
depending on budget and need.
This is one of
ranging
its
from
most
basic
unique
selling
workhorse
points
trims
in
to
an era
mid-tier
where
versions
soft
with
rotors
creature
dominate the
comforts.
market. In essence,
For safety,
the 2025
Tata
Tata
Sumo
Sumo
Victa
Victa
stays
dual
true to
airbags,
its roots while
adds with
evolving
EBD,
just enough to
reverse
remain
parking
relevant
sensors,
in today's
and
market.
seatbelt reminders as standard.
It's not trying to be a
While
luxury
not
SUV,
overloaded with
nor does it
electronic
aim to
aids like
compete with
traction
compact
control
urban
or lane
crossovers.
assist. It relies on
Instead,
mechanical
it proudly
capability
plays
and
the
driver
role of a
skill,
dependable,
something
seasoned
spacious,
off-roaders
and affordable
appreciate.
seven-seater that
Its
delivers
lightweight
performance,
body and
durability,
smaller footprint
and also
practicality
contribute to better control
for
in
buyers
tricky
who
scenarios.
value rugged build quality.
In conclusion,
seating flexibility,
the 2025
and a brand they
Maruti
can
Suzuki
trust,
Gypsy
the new
is
Sumo
not
Victa
just
is
a
likely
comeback,
to be a
it's a
compelling
celebration
proposition
of
on
purpose-built engineering.
Indian roads once
It offers
again.
a refreshing alternative to the overly urbanized SUV trend, giving adventurers, defense forces, and off-road lovers a vehicle that's raw, reliable, and ready for action. Whether you're planning to hit the mountains, explore uncharted paths, or just want a dependable workhorse with character, the Gypsy delivers with spirit and simplicity. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a legacy reborn for a new generation.